Hey, what if it were possible for you to have your own news site like CNN, CBS, NBC, or Fox News? A fully automated site that would replenish itself daily with fresh content optimized to rank on Google, resulting in boatloads of free targeted visitors that you could effortlessly monetize. And here's the crazy part. You don't have to write a single word or piece of content yourself. It's all possible because Content Profits creates you completely automated news sites. All you have to do is take a few minutes to set it up, forget about it, and continue to generate traffic, regardless if you touch it or not. My friends, it doesn't get any more passive or lazy than this. Just imagine being able to get all the traffic you need to make money online, whether you're doing affiliated marketing, email marketing, high-ticket sales, e-commerce, or whatever. You need a large supply of traffic. With articles that rise quickly to the top of Google, you'll get swarms of free visitors, just like flies attracted to honey. Now, with all of the scams and push-button bullcrap out there, I know this might seem far-fetched. I don't blame you if you're skeptical. That's okay. So how exactly does Content Profits get you free traffic? It's a good question. Here's how it works, in 3 simple steps. Step 1, enter a keyword for content. This could be anything you want. An example would be weight loss. Step 2, schedule when you want the content to be posted. The cool thing about Content Profits is you don't even need your own hosting. We'll use our own hosting and give you a domain name. All the content will be posted there. And if you want to use your own domain, you have the option to do that as well. And step 3, monetization. You can connect AdSense, send traffic to your affiliate links, native ads, e-commerce, build a list, high-ticket sales. There's so many ways you can profit from the traffic coming into your news site. And the best part is once you set this up, your news site will continue publishing and ranking content 24/7 on complete cruise control. Imagine what it would be like to finally be in control when it comes to traffic generation. That's probably why you're failing to earn online now, right? So solve that and everything else takes care of itself. And all you need to accomplish that is get access to Content Profits. With your hands on Content Profits, it's like having a team of writers working around the clock to produce the finest content, but without the hefty cost of paying for their salaries. Content Profits lets you do it for free, all at a low one-time investment. Now, we do incur substantial monthly recurring expenses to keep this web application up and running. Expenses like hosting and a support team. So with that taken into consideration, our original thought was to sell this at a recurring price of $97 monthly. After all, it would be completely worth it with all the traffic you'll be able to generate. It would quickly pay for itself. But we get it. With all of the crap out there, $97 a month is a lot to commit to. Which is why, for a limited time, we're going to offer Content Profits at a low, one-time investment anyone can afford. And to cut out all the risk from your decision, we're going to give you a full 30 days to test drive Content Profits. If you give Content Profits a try and somehow can't generate results, then hit us up. If we can't make things work for you, we will happily refund every penny back with a smile. So what are you waiting for? You're just minutes away from having your own fully automated news site like CNN, ABC, or Fox News. A site that replenishes itself with fresh content optimized to rank on the first page of Google on complete AutoPilot, bringing targeted visitors to your links like a tireless robot. Isn't that worth a low one-time investment? But listen, this discount we're offering is strictly time limited. If you come back later, you could be paying the monthly price. So the best thing for you to logically do right now is click the button below. I'll see you inside.